Google's rise as a leader in artificial intelligence is not a sudden development, it is the result of decades of strategic investments, innovations, and a relentless focus on building infrastructure and systems that outpace its competitors. To fully understand this dominance, let's explore each aspect in depth, tracing its origins, analyzing its impact, and drawing comparisons with Apple AI, OpenAI, and ChatGPT. 1. Advanced infrastructure, Google's technological backbone. Historical context. Google's foray into AI began with its acquisition of DeepMind in 2014, which provided the foundation for breakthroughs in AI research. Simultaneously, Google started developing its tensor processing units, TPUs, in 2015, aiming to accelerate the speed of AI computations. TPUs marked a turning point, enabling Google to scale AI model training at a fraction of the time and cost. Deep dive into infrastructure. TPUs. These custom-designed chips handle massive data sets more efficiently than GPUs. For example, TPUs are specifically optimized for tensor operations, critical in deep learning tasks. Global data centers. Google operates over 25 data centers globally, equipped to handle exabytes of data while maintaining energy efficiency. In 2022, these data centers became 100% carbon neutral. Comparison with competitors. OpenAI relies on Microsoft's Azure cloud for its AI model training. This dependency inflates costs and limits scalability. Apple AI. While Apple designs its chips, example, the Neural Engine, they are optimized for on-device processing rather than large-scale AI workloads. Why it matters? Infrastructure is the foundation of AI scalability and cost efficiency. Google's ownership of both the hardware, TPUs, and the software, AI models, creates a synergy unmatched by its competitors. Interesting angle, Google's TPUs are also rented out via Google Cloud, contributing billions in annual revenue while democratizing AI access for startups. 2. Massive data advantage, the power of information. Historical context. Google's dominance in search, launched in 1998, provided the company with an unparalleled reservoir of data. Over the years, this expanded to include user behavior on platforms like YouTube, acquired in 2006, Gmail, and Android. Data scope. YouTube. As the world's largest video sharing platform, YouTube provides multimodal data, video, text, and audio, invaluable for training AI like Gemini. Google Search. With over 8.5 billion searches daily, Google processes diverse queries, enriching its natural language processing (NLP) models. Google Maps collects real-time geospatial data from millions of users, enhancing AI's predictive capabilities. Comparison with competitors. Apple AI, limited to on-device data due to its privacy-first policy. While this aligns with its brand ethos, it restricts AI model training. OpenAI uses publicly available data and proprietary data sets but lacks the scale and variety of Google's ecosystem. Why it matters? Data diversity is essential for creating robust, adaptable AI. Google's access to global data enables it to train models that understand context across languages, cultures, and industries. Interesting angle. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Google leveraged anonymized mobility data to assist governments in tracking and mitigating virus spread. 3. Comprehensive AI ecosystem, Google's integrated approach. Historical context. Google's AI journey began with smaller integrations, such as predictive search suggestions, 2004, and email spam filtering in Gmail, 2007. Over time, AI became central to Google's products. Ecosystem integration. Google Assistant, launched in 2016, it combines NLP and contextual understanding, outperforming competitors like Siri in conversational AI. Google Workspace, features like Smart Compose and AI-driven formula suggestions have become standard in productivity tools. Android, AI enhances the user experience with features like personalized recommendations and adaptive battery usage. Comparison with competitors. Apple AI lacks deep integration outside of its hardware ecosystem. Siri remains limited in contextual understanding. OpenAI focused primarily on standalone applications like ChatGPT, without a broader ecosystem to embed its AI. Why it matters? Google's ability to embed AI across its suite of services ensures high adoption rates and continuous feedback loops, making its models smarter over time. Interesting angle. Google AI powers its search engine with features like MUM, Multitask Unified Model, capable of understanding complex queries across text and images. 4. DeepMind's contributions, scientific breakthroughs. Historical context. DeepMind was founded in 2010 and acquired by Google in 2014 for $500 million. Initially focused on theoretical AI research, DeepMind quickly transitioned to solving real-world problems. Major breakthroughs. AlphaGo, 2016 demonstrated the potential of reinforcement learning by defeating the world champion in Go, a game of infinite complexity. AlphaFold, 2020 solved the 50-year-old protein folding problem, revolutionizing drug discovery and molecular biology. Comparison with competitors. OpenAI excels in language models but lacks the multidisciplinary approach of DeepMind. Apple AI remains focused on incremental improvements in user-facing applications. Why it matters? DeepMind's advancements validate AI's potential beyond consumer products, influencing industries like healthcare, logistics, and energy. Interesting angle. DeepMind is working on AI models to predict weather patterns, which could revolutionize disaster preparedness. 5. Generative AI innovations, Google's Gemini. Historical context. Generative AI became a hot topic with OpenAI's GPT models, but Google responded with Gemini in 2023. Gemini is a multimodal model capable of understanding and generating text, images, and videos. Unique features. Multimodal capability. Gemini can process inputs across different formats, example, text, images, and speech, in a single query. Integration with Google tools. Unlike standalone applications like ChatGPT, Gemini is embedded into workspace tools, enhancing user productivity. Comparison with competitors. OpenAI's GPT-4 focused on conversational applications but lacks integration into a larger ecosystem. Apple AI, generative AI capabilities are still in development and limited to experimental features. Why it matters? Generative AI's potential lies in its versatility. Google's focus on integrating Gemini across its platforms ensures widespread adoption. Interesting angle. Gemini powers Google Translate, enabling real-time, multimodal translations, a game-changer for global travelers. 6. Scalability, Google's financial and technical superiority. Historical context. From its inception, Google prioritized building scalable systems, evident in its cloud platform and distributed computing networks. Scalability in practice. Consumer scale. AI-enhanced services like Google Photos handle billions of requests daily without performance hiccups. Enterprise scale. Vertex AI allows businesses to deploy custom AI models, generating revenue while strengthening Google's dominance. Comparison with competitors. OpenAI relies on Microsoft Azure, which limits scalability due to shared infrastructure. Apple AI focused on individual device performance, limiting scalability for large-scale deployments. Interesting angle, Google AI powers YouTube's recommendation engine, generating over $35 billion annually in ad revenue. 7. Ethical AI, Google's responsible leadership. Historical context. In 2018, Google introduced its AI principles, emphasizing transparency, fairness, and accountability. Ethical initiatives. Fairness in AI, Google's tools undergo bias testing to ensure equitable outcomes. AI for Good, projects like flood forecasting and wildlife conservation showcase AI's societal benefits. Comparison with competitors. OpenAI has faced criticism for opacity in its models, while Apple focuses on privacy but lacks broader ethical initiatives. Interesting angle, Google AI's flood forecasting system has saved lives in India and Bangladesh, showcasing the tangible benefits of ethical AI. 8. Financial impact, revenue and valuation. Historical context. Google's AI investments are a long-term strategy, dating back to the early 2000s with the development of AdWords. Revenue streams. AI-driven ads account for 70% of Alphabet's $282 billion revenue in 2023. Google Cloud grew 45% year-over-year, fueled by AI integrations. Comparison with competitors. OpenAI, limited revenue streams, $1 billion due to a narrow focus. Apple AI-enhanced features are bundled with hardware, limiting direct monetization. Interesting angle, AI contributes an estimated $500 billion to Alphabet's $1.7 trillion market cap, driving investor confidence. Conclusion. Google's dominance in AI stems from its deep-rooted history, strategic investments, and unparalleled ecosystem. From the foundational infrastructure to cutting-edge generative AI, Google's multi-pronged approach has left competitors like Apple AI and OpenAI struggling to catch up. Its blend of technological prowess, financial stability, and ethical foresight ensures that Google AI will not only lead but define the future of artificial intelligence.